Alright, today we'll be doing the coilovers on an 06 Honda Civic DX, replacing my old suspension. It was worn out. It's a 12-year-old suspension, so I'm going to be putting these coilovers in them. You gotta remove this from here, pull that out, take this out of there. It's like a 12mm nut. Remove these two nuts right here, which I already loosened them up, and pull those out. But I gotta push pause to do that, and there's 3 up top. It's up here above the engine bay. Up under here there's 3 under there, and those will be 15mm under there, and I gotta loosen those up, take those out. Let me push pause while I do that. And those are the new front end coilovers. I'm gonna push pause while I get the driver's side ready. There's the old one compared to the new one. See quite a difference. It looks a lot smaller though. I might have to adjust it before I even install it, because that looks way shorter than the other one. I might have to lengthen it out some.